You got into medicine to heal people. But are you seeing the same patients over and over? Most researchers and healthcare providers agree that the standard American diet contributes to chronic disease. But chances are you don't have the time to teach healthy eating. And you can't prescribe nourishing food. That is, until now. Here's how our groundbreaking PlantPure Rx program works. You sign up on our website. Then, we'll provide you with all the information you need to prescribe the PlantPure Rx program to your patients. The prescription starts with an in-office cholesterol test, and then your patient signs up online. Within days, he or she receives 20 delicious whole food plant-based entrees, each a generous 16 ounces, along with the PlantPure Nation cookbook and movie DVD. Your patient also receives access to an inspirational online seminar featuring world-class doctors and heartwarming testimonials, along with a seminar guidebook and 10 days of motivational daily emails. On the morning of the 11th day, your patient returns for a follow-up cholesterol test. Our past results show that your patients will often have the opportunity to reduce or eliminate medications after the 10-day program, and will also have more energy, sleep better, and lose weight. Studies demonstrate that plant-based diets are the optimal diet for human health, not only for preventing chronic diseases, but sometimes for reversing serious conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Now you are doing what you signed up to do, healing people. Visit PlantPureRx.com today.